Alright viewers, welcome back. We are taking a question on linear approximation. We have to approximate the value of square root of 27. Now if I have my f of x, the function, to be square root of x, this implies that x is equal to 27. Now from the linear approximation, we have the linear approximation of x to be equal to f of x naught plus f prime of x naught multiplied by x minus x naught. Now in this case, we have to get the value of x naught, f prime of x naught. Now what will be x naught? X naught will be approximately a value which is close to 27 and is a perfect square. In this case, we can choose 25 as x naught. So 25 will be x naught. That means if you find, we can find f of x naught, which is square root of 25, because x naught is 25, which is 5. Now, we have to get the value of f prime of x naught, but we don't know f prime, but rather we know f of x, where we know f of x is equal to square root of x, which is x to the power half. So, in order to get f prime of x, I have to differentiate f of x. That is, I have 1 on 2 x to the power minus 1 on 2, which can be written as 1 on 2 root x. So, I can find f prime of x naught. Having gotten f prime of x, this implies I have 1 on 2 root 25. Root 25 because x naught is 25, which is equal to 1 on 10. Root 25 is 5, 5 times 2, which is 10. Good, now I have all the parameters that I need in the question, so I can do the substitution. Now I can say f linear approximation of x, which is equal to f of x naught. F of x naught is 5 plus f prime of x naught, which is 1 on 10, multiplied by x minus x naught, and then x is 27 minus x naught is 25. So we have 5 plus 1 on 10 is 5 plus 1 on 10, 27 minus 25, which is 2. Sorry, that is 2. So I have 5 plus 1 on 5, which is 5.2. Thank you.